We're here with the Kaiser EG 6345 ELF EM, ELF standing for ivory, of course, in this beautiful gloss color. We also have anthracite matte black as an option available for you. This is your standard 60 cm oven in both gas and electric, which not many other manufacturers have. That means gas comes from the bottom and there's an electric grill on the top, along with an electric rotating rotisserie if you would like to cook some chicken or some turkey, entirely up to you. It has beautiful, nice and easy to use single hand ignition. It can be used both with natural gas and LPG. It comes with the nozzles to convert it, so you don't have to worry about that. Our installers can take care of that for you if you should opt for that. In the checkout, you have this nice little menu here showing you what different types of food, how it would be cooked best using this oven. It has your lovely catalytic cleaning inserts, which makes this oven very easy to clean. All you have to do is basically wipe away anything inside of it and it will come right out. And with that, you also have your beautiful functions and timers here with your lovely, really thick, heavy metal brass alloy knobs. These are obviously coated in antique brass painting and they feel very sturdy in the hand and they feel very nice to operate. Obviously, they're very easy to take on and off as well, so it's also an extra bit for cleaning. With that, you also have the oven timer where you can time different things. And it also has a child safety lock, so make sure you disable that when you first start the oven. And with that, I leave you to it. I look forward to having you as our esteemed customer. Thank you very much.